Hi guys, welcome to this class of Advanced Matte Painting for Production. My name is Igor Staritsin. I started working in the industry back in 2008 with Disney, and since then I've been working in visual effects for films and video game cinematics as a concept artist and matte painter. I contributed to such projects as Game of Thrones, Godzilla, Black Panther, Justice League, Thor, Guardians of the Galaxy, Assassin's Creed, Maleficent, and many more. In this 8 weeks class, we're going to dive into the world of matte painting and concept keyframe art for visual effects and cinematics. We're going to begin by studying composition deeply. I will show you crucial aspects of what it takes to make successful arrangement of shapes within the canvas. I strongly believe that knowing how to group your shapes and values effectively will bring your image to a different level. We will study how important it is to make simple but bold statements when designing your shots. As a bonus video, we will cover perspective, the most critical aspects that are necessary for each matte painter and concept artist. Then we move to light and color. We will cover a good deal of how lighting works outdoors, how it affects color and values as distance increases. We will learn the importance of 4 value planes that are present outdoors and 5 types of light that we are using while painting. You will learn how to reference lighting from a photo and how to utilize that information while working. Next, we will go over most essential and advanced extracting techniques in Photoshop, as well as blending modes and color correction tools. We will cover such topics as analyzing photography, choosing right references, which is often underestimated, and reducing noise in Nuke by using custom tools. After that, having all the necessary tools in hand, we are going to work on destroyed city matte painting, starting from creating a clean plate, then moving on to set extension, and then working on making instructions and bringing it all together as a final painting using Photoshop. Once we're done with that, we are going to work on concept keyframe painting based on matte painting we have previously created. I'm going to integrate live action elements to sell the look of the potential shot from a movie. Then I'll work on another concept painting using 3D Coat, Keyshot, and Photoshop to achieve final result. As a bonus video, I will show you how to transform a sunny painting into a snowy scene. I will show you how to create a full moving epic matte painting shot using World Machine, Maya, Vray, 3D Coat, Photoshop, and Nuke. And finally, as a bonus video, you will be able to have a sneak peek on creation of matte painting as well as final shot from a real project. Each week is supported by lots of demonstration videos where I'm showing how to apply theoretical and practical knowledge that we have gained throughout the class. On top of everything, at the very beginning during orientation week, there is going to be a bonus video on the history of matte painting. There is a lot to cover, but that is why it is advanced. See you in the class, guys. Thank you.